If your dog has an accident and peed on your carpet, it will likely give off a strong, unpleasant urine smell. To get rid of the smell, first remove as much of the wet urine as possible if the stain is still wet. Place paper towels over the stain, then walk on them to soak up the urine. Keep switching out the paper towels with new ones until you've soaked up most of the urine. Then, mix equal parts white vinegar and water and pour it over the stain so the carpet fibers are fully saturated. The white vinegar will neutralize the bad odors. Let the vinegar soak in for 10 minutes. Then blot it up using paper towels. Now, let your carpet air dry for a few hours. When it's mostly dry, sprinkle baking soda over the stained area. The baking soda will absorb any of the remaining bad odors. Let it sit for 15 minutes before vacuuming it up. If the urine smell persists, you may need to use a stronger commercial cleaner designed to eliminate pet odors.